So do you like watching Bollywood horror movies? No, I don't. Like except one or two movies, I find the rest of them like comedies. Hello everyone, this is Calliope and today I am going to discuss types of people in a Bollywood horror movie. Number one is the hero, the main lead. Now, usually this person doesn't believe in ghosts. Okay, he doesn't believe in supernatural. He is usually throughout the film like trying to prove that the actress is going through some psychological disorder. You know, ये सब मन का वहम है types of things. And then later on he only tries to save the heroine from the ghost. क्या बोल रही हो तुम? कोई नहीं है वहां पे, कोई नहीं है. ये सब तुम्हारे मन का वहम है. कुछ नहीं है वहां पे रिया, कुछ नहीं है. Just relax. Number two is the heroine, the main lead actress. She is usually the one who discovers the ghost and then gets possessed by the ghost and usually is stupid enough to walk alone in the middle of the night to investigate. Hello, koi hai? As if the ghost is going to respond back. Hello, my name is Anjali and I am a ghost and I'm going to kill you right now. वहाँ पे कुछ है, मैं कह रही हूँ, तुम समझ क्यों नहीं रही हो वहाँ पे? I can see. Number three is the Baba, Tantric or a priest. So there will always be one of these people who will be called to get rid of the ghost. And then they'll say कि ये बहुत ही बुरी शक्ति है, इसे मैं भी नहीं निकाल सकता, लेकिन आपका प्यार आपकी वाइफ को बचा सकता है, उसे उस दुनिया से वापस ला सकता है. Something like that usually happens in most movies. यहाँ पर एक बुरी आत्मा है, अब आप ही बचा सकते हैं मेरी रिया को, मैं उसे नहीं खो सकता, प्लीज बचा लीजिए. पर तुम चिंता मत करो, मैं सब कुछ ठीक कर दूंगी. Number four is the policeman. Now of course when people start getting murdered or they start disappearing, we have to inform the police, right, to investigate. So usually even the police, you know, the main guy in the police force who is investigating, he also doesn't believe in ghosts, and then suddenly when he actually sees it from his own eyes, he starts believing. मैंने इतने सालों में अपने करियर में कभी ऐसा केस नहीं देखा. मैडम कल रात को आप 10 बजे के आसपास कहाँ थी और क्या कर रही थी? मैं तो अपने कमरे में थी, मैं सो रही थी. हमारे पास ये फिंगरप्रिंट मिले हैं और ये आपके हैं. अब सच बताएंगी या फिर हमें आपको पुलिस स्टेशन लेके जाना पड़ेगा? आप कहना क्या चाहते हैं? आप मुझ पे शक कर रहे हैं? Number 5 is the old servant or old caretaker of this house that this main lead hero and heroine goes to, or the group of friends, they go to this farmhouse for picnic. And yeah, usually he is the one who knows the story of the ghost, the backstory, and he will warn the people. I'm using usually too much, okay, and he is the one who warns the people about this ghost. क्या शायद वो मुझसे कुछ कहना चाहती हैं?
अरे बेटा, सीमा के साथ बहुत बुरा हुआ.
उसे इंसाफ चाहिए, मैं दिलाकर रहूंगी उसे इंसाफ.
तुम ही दे सकती हो उसे इंसाफ.
Number 6 is the ghost. So of course a horror movie would not be a horror movie without a ghost. Now of course we know that it is just a character in the movie. You know, this person is playing the character of a ghost, or we usually have special effects for showing the ghost. Can you imagine, like, if you watched Ramsey Brothers movies, usme the ghost is also raping the actress. Like what bizarre films they were. Insane, right?
नहीं जाऊंगी, तुम्हारा मुझसे पहले जन्म का नाता था। तुम्हें याद है, कसमें वादे, मैं तुम्हें अपने साथ लेके जाने आई हूँ। मैं नहीं जाऊंगी।
रिया देखो मेरे पास, देखो तुम्हें याद करना होगा वो दिन जब हम मिले थे। हमने वादा किया था हम एक दूसरे को छोड़ के कभी नहीं जाएंगे। रिया मुझे पता है तुम अंदर हो, तुम्हें हमारी प्यार की कसम। रिया सुनो, रिया जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीस लोग उजागर। Number 7 is the psychiatrist. What happens is in the beginning of the movie when maybe the actress starts seeing the ghost and she tells her husband who's the main hero, I'm seeing ghosts, she wants to kill me or she wants to do this. So he takes the heroine to a psychiatrist, which is usually recommended by maybe his friend or a parent or someone. So usually a psychiatrist is there and they will say कि नहीं, ये सब वहम है, she has something, schizophrenia or whatever, and she's just hallucinating. So that is the job of the psychiatrist. And of course these people don't believe in ghosts. So but then later on they are all in this room and they see the ghost and then start believing. तो मेरी रिया को हुआ क्या है डॉक्टर, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। देखिए उन्हें hallucinations हो रहे हैं, हमें जल्द से जल्द इलाज शुरू कर देना चाहिए वरना बहुत देर हो जाएगी। Number 8 is a friend or a third wheel. I mean probably the guy who likes the heroine, like a love triangle thing. He or she usually gets killed, okay, when they are like helping the heroine or the hero, they get killed in the middle of the film. उनका उतना ही काम रहता है। विशाल, I don't know what to do. राज घर पे नहीं है, तुम प्लीज अभी के अभी यहाँ पे आ जाओ। मुझे लगता है मेरी जान खतरे में है। हाँ रिया, डोंट पैनिक, I'll be there. I'll be there soon. रिया यहाँ पर देखो। Concentrate here. सीमा, ये तुम्हारा घर नहीं है, निकल जाओ तुम रिया के शरीर से, निकल जाओ, मैं कहती हूँ निकल जाओ।
तुम मेरा कुछ भी नहीं बिगाड़ सकते। तुमने अगर मुझे निकालने की कोशिश की तो मैं रिया को तकलीफ दूंगी।
So that's it from me, folks. I mean, of course there are more characters, but these were like the main ones I could think of. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment below and let me know what other characters, what other types of people can you think about which are there in Bollywood horror films. Please share this video with your friends and please subscribe if you're liking my channel, my videos. Thank you to all my old subscribers. Thank you to my new subscribers. Please stick around because I'm going to continue making 3 videos every week. If you want to check out my last video, it's somewhere here. Until next time, it's bye-bye from me. Take care. Happy weekend.